Turn up the heat. Health benefits of cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper isn't just a kitchen spice. It's been used for centuries as a natural remedy and wellness booster. Packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and a powerful compound called capsaicin, cayenne pepper offers a wide range of health benefits. In this video, we'll break down the top ways cayenne can support your health and why you might want to sprinkle a little more spice into your daily routine. One of the most well-known benefits of cayenne pepper is its ability to boost metabolism. Capsaicin, the compound that gives it heat, can temporarily increase your body's calorie-burning ability. Some studies suggest it may even help reduce appetite, which could support weight management goals when paired with a healthy lifestyle. Cayenne pepper is also linked to heart health. It helps improve circulation by widening blood vessels and encouraging healthy blood flow. Some evidence shows it may help regulate blood pressure and reduce cholesterol levels, lowering the risk of heart disease. Adding a pinch of cayenne to your meals could be a small but powerful way to support long-term cardiovascular wellness. Believe it or not, cayenne pepper can also help with pain relief. When applied in creams or ointments, capsaicin reduces pain signals in the body. It's often used for conditions like arthritis, joint pain, and even nerve pain. This makes cayenne not just a spice for your food, but a natural option for soothing discomfort. Contrary to the idea that spicy foods upset digestion, cayenne pepper can actually aid digestion. It stimulates saliva production and digestive enzymes, which helps the body break down food more effectively. In traditional medicine, cayenne has long been used to ease indigestion, bloating, and stomach cramps. Cayenne is rich in vitamins A, C, and antioxidants that strengthen the immune system. It also supports the body's natural detox process by promoting circulation and encouraging sweating, which helps flush out toxins. Adding cayenne to soups or teas is a simple way to boost your immune defenses, especially during cold and flu season. So whether you're looking to kickstart your metabolism, improve heart health, ease pain, or support digestion, cayenne pepper is a fiery little spice with big health benefits. Just remember, a little goes a long way. Start small and let your body adjust to the heat. Here's to spicing up your meals and your health with cayenne pepper. Like, share, and subscribe for more content.